Over here you can see that I have a picture, and in this picture there is a certain level of sharpness to it. So let me just go around and zoom around on this apple right here, and you can see that there's a certain level of sharpness to this apple, but not on the background. I cannot actually get the sharpness back from the background, but I can make it seem as if the focus area is much more sharper than it actually is over here in Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, you can go around onto the Enhance menu, and over here you can see that Adjust Sharpness is an option. So once you go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. You can go around, disable and enable out the preview right here, and increase out the amount of sharpness over here as well. So by default, you can see that the shadows and highlights, it'll actually be minimized right here. So let's focus on the amount right here. You can increase and decrease the amount right here. And you can change around the radius over here as well to change around how much the areas are selected right here. You can remove different types of blurs right here, as you can see right here, and there's even motion blur, but that is something that we're going to cover up in later videos. So here you can see that if I were to disable the preview, then this is not very sharp, but if I were to enable it, we can see that it is sharp right there. Similarly, you can go to shadows and highlight areas right here and change out fade amounts for highlights and shadow areas over here, just like this as well, and then experiment around with this. Now this is how you can go around and then adjust out sharpness to increase the level of details over here in the image, as you can see. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.